Welcome back. After learning about filter, we now turn to the map function. While filter is used for selecting elements, map is used for transforming or applying an operation to every element in an iterable. This is another core application for our concise Lambda functions. 1. Understanding the map function. Like filter, map takes a function and an iterable. However, instead of checking for true or false, map applies the function to every single item and collects the result of that application. The output is a map object, which we typically convert to a list or another collection. 2. Squaring numbers with lambda and map. Here is our list of numbers. We pass an anonymous lambda that returns the square of the input, x. The map function applies this squaring operation to every number in the list. The squared underscore map object stores these results, and converting it to a list shows the new, transformed list: 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25. 3. Transforming strings. The lambda and map combination isn't just for numbers. Here, we use map to transform a list of lowercase names into uppercase names. The lambda simply calls the upper string method on each name, demonstrating its versatility for applying any single transformation. To summarize, use map and lambda when you want to change every item in a collection in the same way. It's concise, readable, and often more efficient than writing a traditional for a loop. Okay, our next lecture 13:07. Using reduce function. See you there.